welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet decrease, and you'll sometimes see it listed as a double crochet two together. So to start out, I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go into the next stitch, go underneath, pull it through, and I'll have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and then I'm going to go into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, go underneath, pull it through. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So what that did was that joined 2 double crochet down into 1 stitch. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead.